Good morning, students. Hello, how are you? Hope so you all are fine. Okay, KG class, welcome to science class. I'm your teacher, Sidra Iqbal, and today our topic is hot and cold. Hot garam, cold thanda. Hot garam, cold thanda. Okay, I will show you some objects. Yes, I will show you some objects that are hot and cold. Okay, KG class, tell me what is this? Yes, this is sun. Well done. This is sun. Sun is hot. It is too hot. We can't touch it. Hot sun. Hot sun. What is this? Hot sun. Now here is a glass of juice. Juice is cold. Cold juice. Cold juice. Cold juice. Okay, KG class. What is this? Well done. This is cup of tea. This is a cup of tea. Tea is hot. Hot. Tea is hot. Okay, KG class. Now this is an other object. What is this? Very well done. This is an ice cube. This is an ice cube. Okay, ice cube is cold. Ice cube is cold. Okay, KG class. Next one object is fire. This is fire. Fire is hot. It is too hot. We can cook on fire. We can cook on fire. Last one object is snowman. What is this? Snowman. Snowman is cold. Snowman is cold. Okay, KG class, I show some hot objects. Sun, tree, fire. These are hot. Next one, cold objects. Juice, ice cube, snowman. These are cold objects. Now we read from book. Open your page number 42. Here is our topic, hot and cold. There are some hot objects. Okay, we read together. Sun, soup, candle, iron, fire. These are hot objects. These are hot objects. In summer, you feel hot. जब केजी क्लास गर्मियाँ आती हैं तो आपको गर्मी लगती है ना? गर्मियों के सीज़न में, मौसम में आपको गर्मी लगती है जी। तो इन समर यू फील हॉट। समर सीज़न में आप गर्मी फील करते हैं। ओके, नाउ आई शो यू सम cold objects. Ice cubes, ice cream, snowman, juice, fruit salad. These are cold things. These are cold things. Now open your page number 44. Okay. In winter you feel cold. विंटर सीजन में हम लोग सर्दी फील करते हैं. So in winter you feel cold. All people feel cold in winter season. We wear warm clothes in winter season. Okay, now I tell about temperature. Temperature. We use a thermometer to check the temperature. Everything that is hot has a high temperature. Like here is a cup of coffee. It is too hot. Coffee is hot, so it has a high temperature. Okay, next one is everything that is cold has a low temperature. Like here is a glass of juice. Juice is cold, so it has low temperature. Juice has low temperature. Understood, KG class? Okay, now open your this one page number 45. This is your CW page. Write here date 15/1 C.W. Question number A. Look at the picture below. Write hot or cold in the boxes. You look at the pictures that are hot and cold. You write in the box. Okay, KG class. Here is the sun. Sun is hot. H-O-T, hot. And here is snow. Snow is cold. Ice cream. Ice cream is cold. Next one is coffee. Coffee is hot. Next one is fire. Fire is hot. Very well done. Next one is fruit salad. Fruit salad is cold. Very good. Open your next one page number 56. Here is question B. Circle the thermometer that goes with each item of clothing. KG class, when we wear these gloves? In summer season or winter season? Low temperature or high temperature? Yes, we wear these gloves in low temperature. Okay, when you wear long knicker and shorts at high temperature or low temperature? Very well done, high temperature. So you circle the first one, thermometer. Okay, students, tell me, when we wear this muffler, on low temperature or high? Yes, low temperature. You circle the second one. And when we wear this coat, very good, on low temperature. And when we wear slippers, very good, at on high temperature. And when we wear this cap, very good, on low temperature. Understand, KG class? This page is your homework and page number 45 is your CW. I hope you will learn from it today's topic. Okay, like this video. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.